How to use the power saving feature found on your Galaxy A16 5G phone with One UI 7.0. Now, this is also available in other Samsung phones. However, I just want to give you an idea of how to go about using power saving instead of just turning it on and off. This is going to be like a beginner's guide, so if you know about this already, then thanks for watching. However, for those of you who are new, use your quick access like this here, and you're gonna look for the toggle that says power saving, which would be this one right here. Now, usually you can just tap on it one time, it's gonna turn on for you, and it's gonna tell you that your power saving mode is currently turned on. All right, and it's gonna give you that little icon there on the battery, so you will know that it's like a leaf icon right there to the battery icon right there. That means power saving is on, so you can know that, okay? Now, other than that here, while you're here and you see the power saving toggle, go ahead and long press this here. Whenever you long press this here, it's going to take you to where you can actually choose what is going to work as power saving, all right? Or whatever the power saving is going to work for. So let's just say it's turned off here and everything is normal and whatnot. Now you can go down the list here and choose what to do. So for example, you got the decreased brightness to 10%. Maybe you want to not do this or set the motion smoothness to standard. Motion smoothness is usually set to 90 at max on this phone in particular, which is the Galaxy A16. And if you want to keep your usual standard, your motion smoothness not to standard, then you can turn this off. Maybe you don't want to have dark mode turned on. So you can turn off your dark mode and have the battery saving on. So instead of just going with whatever power saving has to offer, you can untoggle these, like just disable them. So maybe you can power saving mode like this here, and you'll notice now the black screen doesn't come on, which is the dark mode feature here. And maybe you don't want your phone to be that slow. You don't want it to be 70% at max speed. So you can disable these here. So you don't really have to be that deep into power saving mode. And you also got these other options here. Let's just say I turn this off, right? And you got this one here, limit apps and home screen, allow only selected apps. So when you do this here, this is going to also allow selected apps, limit background activity, turn off edge panels and all that extra stuff that could be running at the moment. So lots of options here for you with power saving mode. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, if you, well, learned something new, like and sub.